Dear customer, we truly acknowledge that with this purchase, you have made the right investment. There is no question that pandemic brought a tough time for all of us. During these unprecedented times, there was little we could do to control our environment or to better ourselves or our family. But that would not be entirely true. The good news is that we can still do a lot and have control of our outlook on how we view things going around us. In fact, many studies have proven that wellness matters because everything we do and every emotion we feel relates to our well-being. In turn, our well-being directly affects our actions and emotions. It is an ongoing circle. The health benefits of wellness range from lower stress, work-life balance, lower depression rates, and mental distress while improving our resistance to sickness, improving cardiovascular health, and providing an overall better psychology and physical sense of well-being. Would you like to adopt a balanced wellness wheel forever? If that is so, then you have come to the right place. The wellness wheel is not just about excelling in any one aspect of life, it is more than that. It is about maintaining that balance even when things are in utter chaos. A balanced and unbalanced wellness wheel has the same effect on your health as a good or bad diet. Fuse new elements and rituals in your life, and you will see amazing changes around you. The stress buster activities that is usually a byproduct of wellness is a key part of effective lifestyle, and work-life balance is also associated with many of its benefits. Let wellness become more than just part of a puzzle. Let it become a part of your life. Hence, to help you get started with a 360 idea about wellness and its impact on life, we've created this valuable HD video course, proudly presenting High Definition Wellness Wheel HD Video Training. In this high-impact video course, we'll walk you through the exact process of how you can inculcate wellness in regular life, transform unhealthy habits into healthy, alter the negative life patterns, handle stress, tips to balance work and personal life, and build resilience through an optimistic outlook, step by step. And we'll give you everything you need to for the wellness you desire and the lifestyle you manifest. Get the maximum out of our video tutorials that are must-have to understand the importance of the wellness wheel, vital in achieving high-quality life, effective in eliminating stress from life, proficient in promoting physical health and mental well-being. Forget about wasting your time with the same reiterated scrap that you're sick and tired of hearing and seeing. Grab our HD videos that will prepare you for improving your overall quality of life in this new normal. We have made the whole process more lucrative for you. So just use this incredible resource and have a balanced life. Click on the Buy button now.